Good morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you Typhur latest discount that will help you to save money with confidence. Just go to my YouTube video description link and boom, all the sales and promotion you are getting. You can see you can save $10 off. Just click shop now. It will take you to the official website and you can save money. Check out their product option to see others product. Also copy the coupon SAVE10 to save money. You can see $100 off, $400 off clicking the shop now button. So you will buy the best product from them and you will save money. From the support option you can connect with them. Now let's say you need discount coupon for others website and service. Click this simple drills page, click this top coupons code. You will see a search option like this. Search here with any keyword, any valid website name and enjoy this kind of beautiful coupon you want. Left side category based coupon, if you want you will also get. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button. See you in another new video.